Welcome to 24 hours of Nürburgring. Our adventure starts today, well, technically started beginning of the year already with our alternative fuel class cup car, and thanks to Fanatec, XXL Nutrition, Dunlop and Bilstein and Shining 3D that we were able to make this and also be here. We have lots of cool stuff happening. Major shout out to Gio, my camera guy and editor, who will be posting pretty much live updates because it's all about keeping you up to date with what is happening here. What is happening? I have new glasses and a haircut, and more importantly, we have also new merch that you guys can get online or also here in the paddock at the Dunlop stand. Look at that. We'll be doing some meet and greets, by the way, and you can have it signed. All right, now back on topic. We might clickbait this video. Will 24 hours of Nürburgring get cancelled? If that's the case, the reason behind it is that the weather predictions are actually quite interesting. We will be having near freezing temperatures. Right now, the update, 3 degrees is officially near freezing. If you have a bit of wind, it's gonna get very cold. The slicks do not work in these temperatures. So let's place your bets. They might red flag it at around 10 o'clock and green flag it, if we're lucky, at 11 o'clock, with at 10 o'clock having safety car. This is a very realistic scenario. It's unfortunate that if that's the case, we will not have a full 24 hours third year in a row, but let's stay optimistic. And we are here. Right now it's Wednesday, so day before you are watching this, we are at NGK Chicane, where we have an official Porsche photo shoot. But I guess you guys want to see some driving. So, qualifying 1, let's go. And later, you have qualifying 2, so check out the live onboard live stream link in the video description and the first pinned comment. The sun is shining, but the rain tires are going on. Shout out to Dunlop. And by the way, look at this, we have blue brake pads now, because according to this, with endless pads, we should be able to change the pads only once during the 24-hour race. And otherwise, with packets, I think you need to change them 3 times, so we save on 2 extra brake pad changes. It is now green light for the qualifying, so Manny's gonna go out first, then it's someone else, then it's me, then it's someone else again. As mentioned, conditions are going to be very interesting and tricky this weekend. So for now we're driving Q1, later qualifying 2, the night one that you will see tomorrow, or you're already watching live. And tomorrow, the Q3, we are going to skip. Angry Marshall is waving at me back because now during the race, you're not allowed to cross the pit lane without a helmet and a fireproof suit. Safety first, you know. They are on full slicks. The G3 car is on intermediates. Everyone's just gonna go out and try something. We're not gonna risk it and just go full wets first. I am gonna get some lunch at Black Falcon Lounge. What's your favorite oat bar?
This one.
Nice.
The caramel one. These ones are genuinely great.
They are.
I have one right now.
Well, use code Misha to get 15% off XXL Nutrition range. We also have fresh ice cream. That's not XXL Nutrition. We have also fresh ice cream and ristretto, but more importantly, we are now here for lunch. So let's see what we have. We have some pasta to make us faster. So I went from 105 kilos to 88 from beginning of the year, from January till now. And now the last few days I've been carb loading, eating lots of carbohydrates so you can well, survive the 24 hours of Nürburgring. And I went from 88 kilos to like 91 and a half in 2 days. Maybe I've been overdoing it. But hey, everything for safe performance on track. Oh, what's that? No meat, no protein. We're P8 overall right now, ahead of Max Verstappen.
It's just that easy. I mean, all done.
Someone had 2 tiramisu's.
It wasn't me.
I think it was Jimmer. I'm about to get in, and last night we had a massive team briefing, internal briefing, where we have been told to be very chill, because to finish first, you have to finish first, and that's definitely the case with N24. And we have been emphasized that this is going to be a mess. There are lots of people that should not be racing at all, let alone on the most demanding track in the world, because they want to be with Max Verstappen. And if you watched the live stream, you have seen some crazy stuff in the first 20 minutes already. So we have now basically, the team orders are, okay, Manny's gonna do the fast time, everyone else cruise. cruise, because if we need to do 2 laps per driver, 2 timed laps to qualify. I'm gonna do my 10-minute lap or something, chill. Because when you see live stream, it's like worse than Touristenfahrten Championship. Yeah, so I've been just told that after it being dry, it now starts raining again, so it's gonna be a very fun one.
Well, that was interesting. The last week I drove 2 full days with my taxi car, the Vulcan Alpha kitted GT3, and with the big front splitter it has such a sharp turn in, and here I forgot it didn't have it. So Atzenbach moment was interesting, and everything else, like, why is the car so understeering? Is something wrong with the front tires? Is it this cold that it's not getting any like grip or something? No, Misha, you just have no front splitter. We're making actually GT3 Cup car kits, and maybe we'll do a rollout end of the year on our car. Maybe, but that's going to be actually quite cool. So if you have a Cup car, but yeah, other than that, there's not a yellow flag on the GP track. Probably turn one. It's a mess out there. Like the level of driving, there's so many crashes already in Q1. Seen it already on live stream, as I mentioned before. Now also someone indicated to the right and allowed the links, but almost closed the gap to the left. So I'm like, interesting. So I was taking no risks, just cruising, because yeah, you really do not want to be that guy who finishes the race for the whole team before it even starts. I'm gonna go now. Enjoy one of my favorite parts of 24 hours of Nürburgring, physiotherapy. Fast forward and it's actually hailing. So 2016, 24 hours of Nürburgring flashback where Manuel Metzger won overall. So we're actually not scared. More importantly to that, I forgot to mention, Fanatec is offering you 5% discount on all your sim gear if you use code ZZ-Misha5. Physio area, my favorite guy. I've been all around the world, but he's the only one that manages to completely reset my back and all the muscles. I don't know what the hell he's doing, but I'm looking forward. I will save you the footage of this. Actually, one thing I want to show you. So there's the physio area. Here we have some catering for the mechanics, especially, of course, with XXL Nutrition light sauces. Very, very important and good. Yeah, also, ready brake kits to swap. So this just goes directly straight into the car with quick disconnects. That's really, really cool. Are we safe? Is it because of you? 2016 vibes.
Yeah, it's 10 years anniversary, so I thought let's bring some hail.
Yeah. But Chris Sedula was in the car at the time when it hailed.
It was not me. It was similar. It was hail in Nürburgring, and on the Grand Prix track, sunshine.
Sunshine.
Yeah.
Did you get hail?
No, I came in just as it started.
Oh, sad.
It was like, do you want to go for a slow lap? And I was like, no, I'm not risking anything.
Yeah, good job.
I'll go straight in.
Yeah, good. We're P1, huh? Avengers assemble.